Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. I would like to express the importance of aim in life.
Aim means ambition. Aimless person like a ship without a radar.
Everyone has aim in life to reach the destination. Can you tell me about your high ambition?
My aim in life is to be a good human first and then I shall be a doctor.
After completing my SSC level, I will prepare myself for college.
Then I will try to admit in a medical college.
Finishing the MBBS course, I will come back to my native village.
Then I shall set up a charitable dispensary for the poorest. Wish for me so that I can reach to a destination.
Let me know about your aim as fast as possible.
My aim in life is to be a good human first and then I shall be a doctor.
Aim means ambition.
Let me know about your aim as far as possible.
Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Now I like to show the importance of aim.
Aim means ambition.
An aimless person is like a ship without a rudder.
Everyone should have an aim to reach the destination.
Can you tell me about your high ambition?
My aim in life is to be a good human first and then I shall be a doctor.
After completing my SSC level, I will prepare for college.
Then I will try to admit in a medical college.
Finishing my MBBS course, I will come back my native village.
Then I shall set up a charitable dispensary for the poorest.
Wish for me so that I can reach to the destination. And let me bow to aim as far as possible.
Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Actually, we are not a good speaker in English, but we are trying our level best to express something before you. If we have any kind of mistake in this situation, please take it easy.
Aim means ambition. Aim means ambition. An aimless person is like a ship without a rudder. An aimless person is like a ship without a rudder.
Everyone should have an aim to reach the destination.
Everyone should have an aim to reach the destination. Can you tell me about your aim and high ambition?
My aim in life is to be a good human first and then I shall be a doctor.
My aim in life is to be a good human first and then I shall be a doctor. After ending my SSC level, I will prepare for college.
Then I try to admit in a medical college. Finishing my MBBS course, I will come back to my native village.
Finishing the MBBS course, I will come back to my native village.
I shall set up a charitable dispensary for the poorest.
Wish for me so that I can reach to the destination.
Let me know about your aim as far as possible.
Aim means ambition. Aim means ambition.
An aimless person is like a ship without a rudder.
An aimless person is like a ship without a rudder.
Everyone should have an aim to reach the destination.
Everyone should have an aim to reach the destination.
Can you tell me about your high ambition? Can you tell me about your aim and high ambition? My aim in life is to be a good human first, then I shall be a doctor. My aim in life is to be a good human first, then I shall be a doctor. After ending my SSC level, I will prepare for college.
Then I will try to admit in a medical college.
Finishing the MBBS course, I will come to my native village. Then I shall set up a charitable dispensary for the poor.
Finishing my MBBS course, I will come back to my native village. Then I will set up a charitable dispensary for the poorest. In the MBBS course, I will come back to my native village. Then I shall set up a charitable dispensary for the poorest. Wish for me so that I can reach to the destination. Let me know about your aim as per as possible.
Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Actually, we are not a good speaker in English, but we are trying our level best to express something before you. If we have any kind of mistake in this situation, please take it easy. What's your name?
This is Hassan Jumana. And what's about it?
My full name is Mashiur Sagib, but my nickname is Sagib. What class are you in now?
To express in class, I am actually in class 16, but it's not expressing by class. I am basically doing my honors here.
Okay. What's your father's name? And he's. I know that he is not alive in art, but what's
Okay.
his name?
My father's name is Amjad Ali, and probably you are asking about his occupation. He was used to be a pharmacist and doctor.
What's your mother's name and what does your mother do?
My mother is Selina Banu, and he is housewife.
How many brother or sister do you have?
I have only one elder brother.
Now where are you living?
I am basically living as my present address. It's in Khulna. I am living in my Khulna University's hall, Khan Bahadur Hasanullah Hall, and for describing my permanent address, I am basically now the resident of Center Part of Birganj. So, if I would like to ask you a question, so what class do you actually read in?
I did class 8.
Okay, so you have scholarship exam, right?
No.
So,
New curriculum.
okay, so what is it actually? I was used to give the scholarship exams in class 5, class 8 and in many other exams. So what's now the educational scenario of class 8?
No, here is no any exam.
I'm in class 8.
No.
So how will you promote into class 9?
Our government will give many kinds of ways.
Okay, so you have different kind of evaluating
Continuous
activities.
assessment.
Okay, so like this. So how many brothers and sisters?
I have a little brother.
What's his name?
His name is Rakib.
Oh, hello Rakib. Nice to meet you.
Assalamu alaikum. How are you?
How are you? I'm also fine. Thank you and nice to meet you. Okay, so what's your future plan?
You'll be glad to know that my future plan is to be a pilot.
Glad to know that my dream was to be a pilot, but unfortunately due to my eye physical problem, I could not apply for the airline. So this was my unfortunate, but I would like good luck. I would wish a very good luck for you.
Okay. Can you tell me what's your hobby?
Traveling is very much favorite to me, and you'll be glad to know that I have already visited 59 districts of Bangladesh, and I would like to visit 64 districts within this year.
I have chosen this kind of hobby because most of I want to travel one country to another country and one place to another place. So I like this.
Exactly. My dream was also like that. Some of my friends will call me that, Ayan, where are you? I'm now at Dubai in this morning, and at evening, where are you? I am now at Delhi. In night, where are you? I am at Bangladesh. This was actually my dream, but unfortunately, I could not complete this. Okay. Anyway, what's your feeling about speaking English? How you are actually practice speaking English?
My father exercise this kind of spoken English, and I have already made many kinds of content with him, and with him many kinds of exercise. I feel very happy. So
Okay, you know that our Mashiur sir is one of the famous teachers in Birganj, not only in Birganj but also I guess in Dinaspur. So how would you feel like that if someone tells you that Mashiur sir was, oh, you are a student of Mashiur sir, that I was also a student of Mashiur sir. So what's your feeling listening such kind of words?
it was very nice and interesting because he was a student of Mashiur sir, and I am also a student of Mashiur sir. So I feel very happy with that.
You know that Mashiur sir is just new in Birganj, and sir, most probably you were not more than 15 years here in Birganj. So within this 15 years, he has become become one of the famous persons in Birganj, and his students are serving throughout the country. So what would you say about it?
It was very nice, and I think that it will grow in future and upcoming days.
So what's your plan with your father? What you will would like to do in future?
My father.
Aligning you and you and your father by vlogging. You are doing such kind of vlogging and like this spoken practices. So in this segment, what is actually your future plan? What you are doing to
My father and myself and my father future plan is to block many kinds of places like Sluice Gate and out of birganj and in Bangladesh, etc.
okay, sir. It's very glad to know that you are practicing such kind of activities
Sure.
here in birganj.
After having your help, we can still go ahead also.
Exactly, sir. But it's a matter of great joy that you are practicing right now for the students of class 6 to 10 and also the previous students of class 6. But whenever we were student of class 5 or class 6, we
Did not get any
did not
chance.
get such kind of activities of promoting activities to express ourselves in English, and that's why we are suffering from still in front of camera. As you have mentioned that, sir, I was nervous in front of camera and during my presentations also in my university. Still, I have this nervousness just because of the practice, lack of practices of such kind of activities, sir. So I think this is a very good initiative for you, sir, both of you, and I would like to wish you a very good luck for your future, sir. Thank you.